Hello everybody, this is Salvatore Vinciguerra. Welcome to this video on Memphis, Tennessee. This is the home of W.C. Handy. He is father of the blues. He was a musician, composer, and publisher, and wrote many songs in this house, and a very important part of American music. This is the Withers Museum. Mr. Withers was the photographer of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. He spent a lot of time with him during the Civil Rights era. He took pictures of B.B. King, Elvis Presley, and many other famous people. Welcome to Sun Studios. This is where Elvis Presley got his first start. He begged the secretary at the studios to record one of his songs and play it for the owner of the studios. Other people that have recorded here are B.B. King, Howlin' Wolf, Ike Turner, Johnny Cash, Carl Perkins, Jerry Lee Lewis, and Roy Orbison. Here are a few photos that I took inside the studio while I was visiting. This is the Gibson Guitar Factory. There's a great tour here on how they make guitars, and there's a wonderful gift shop where they show you the latest models of Gibson guitars. Great places to eat are this Miss Polly's. It's located across from the A. Schwab. A. Schwab was established in 1876. It's a great place to shop and take a look at some of the artifacts from when the store opened. Welcome to the Peabody Hotel. The original hotel opened in 1869, and the current hotel opened up in 1925. The duck pond with the ducks and the water fountain are the highlights of this hotel, with the marching of the ducks happening daily. On November 1st in 1955, Elvis, at age 20, signed a contract with RCA and a signing bonus for $4,500 in the Peabody Hotel. One evening when I went to B.B. King's at night, it was his granddaughter's birthday and I got to meet her. Very cool experience. The band dedicated a lovely song to her and it was wonderful. Stop into the Blue City Cafe for a cup of gumbo or for some great ribs. This is the Lorraine Motel. This is where Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. was assassinated in 1968. This is Salvatore Vinciguerra. Thank you for watching this video in Memphis, Tennessee. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe to it, and have a wonderful day.